the coach put me in the game and call a timeout. Can't it how I wild out for haters what they foul mouth. Pops gave me 28, but damn how he fall out. Shit just makes me mad to grab the hammer and just ride out. I have dreams at night, cold sweats, man, I scream at night. I need that deal, that's right.
What up, what up, what up? Back here, another pickup. JustZay here. Today we got a special box unboxing. Every sneakerhead must have a pair of Air Max in their collection. And today, I'm introducing to you guys the Air Max 97. So, today we got a pair of the Air Max 97 in a classical shoe and a classical colorway. And that colorway, of course, is none other than black on top of white with reflective going around it. So, just like I was saying earlier, we got a legendary shoe because this is, of course, a shoe that's from the 90s. And on top of that, if you're a 90s baby, nostalgia, nostalgia, nostalgia. That's what it is when you see this. But if you're not a 90s baby and you just happen to know a lot about life, then you might know where the inspiration of this comes from. Believe it or not, this silhouette of this shoe, this main design, was actually inspired by the Japanese bullet trains. So if you've ever been to Japan or you ever seen the pictures of it, it's actual bullet train. This is exactly what this looks like. So this is where they got this idea from. So starting off the shoe, you got the reflective material, which we'll show you again, is all the way around the shoe, all the way around. Then you got the black leather and the black mesh. And then you have the white soles right here. And then one of the nice things about this particular shoe is that the Air Max bubble is throughout the whole shoe. You can see the Air Max bubble throughout the whole shoe. You see that? And then there's some pretty good traction on the shoe right up here. Not quite like cleats, but still pretty good traction. Like I said, you got the air bubble right here. Again, right here. And then right on your pull tab, you got, of course, Air Max, let you know what you're wearing. Nike, which is hidden right there. So picking back up at the pull tab, we went ahead and switched angles because I want you guys to be able to see this clearly. So like I said, you have an Air Max right here. And like I said, throughout the whole shoe, you have the reflective material going all the way around the whole shoe. And also we switched the angles because I want you guys to be able to see right here this air bubble. The air bubble on this is actually black, if you guys can see that. Let me see if you guys can see it. So what you have is, like I said, you have the air bubble. You have a bubble right here, which is clear. So you can see the actual air bubbles, which is black throughout the shoe. And like I said, this covers the whole shoe right here. And like I said, you have a Nike check right here. You have a Nike check right here. And of course, you have a Nike check right here. Now, on the inside, it's nothing too fancy. Just a little sticker, let you know this contains synthetic leather, which is what this is right here. Then you got your mesh, you got your sizing right here, and you got your regular insert right here. This is a pretty thick insert right here for your soles. You got the Nike right here. And originally when I put this on initially, I was like, man, this is such a firm shoe. It's not that soft. It's not like the Nike React. It's not like the Ultra Boost. But when you buy this shoe, you don't buy it for that. You buy it for the nostalgic look and nostalgic feel. Now, when I put these on, I did feel like I could run faster. Because like I said, like, these are a 10 and these fit true to size to me. So I felt these and that. I felt comfortable in these as far as running. Now, as far as like a casual walk or anything like that, I don't know if I would do that with these. But like I said, these are like a stylish shoe. So this is like the perfect changeover to the fall season type of shoe right here. So here we go.
Tell me what you want, or tell me what you need. I want you lying in my bed. Wish you could stay.
Look, tell me what the deal is. Should I end this now, hit the kill switch? Tell them I'm the illest. Tell them put me on and I will kill this. You should ask my niggas in the building. Oh, I never take this shit serious. Made a couple hits, so I got a bit curious. Like damn, can I get the bag now? Didn't have the bag then, don't got the bag now. Tell the coach, put me in the game and call a timeout. Can't it how I wild out for haters what they foul mouth. Pops gave me 28, but damn how he fall out. Shit just makes me mad to grab the hammer and just ride out. I have dreams at night, cold sweats, man, I scream at night. I need that deal, that's right. dreams at night. Cold sweats, man, I scream at night. I need that deal, that's right.